Hi guys, today I thought I would talk to you about warm and cool skin tones. Now, most of our lives we spend wearing the wrong shades of clothes and we buy something that does not suit us because we have no idea about whether we are warm or cool skinned. Personally, it took me a lot of years to find this out because I'm more of a neutrals person and I've never really understood my warm or cool tones. Blue and red have both suited me equally well, but there are certain shades of red and certain shades of blue that don't suit my skin tone at all. So to find your skin, whether it's blue, warm or cool, you need to do basically is stand in front of a sunlit window and just see the color of your veins in the forearm area, whether they are greenish or bluish. If they are more greenish, then you're a warm toned person. Most Indians are warm toned, we have a yellowish hue to our skin. Some of us though have bluish veins and a cool undertone. Now if you are a cool undertoned person, blues and all the colors that are close to blues will look good on you, and if you are a warm skin person, then red, orange, yellow, this side of the spectrum will look good on you. Now you have to understand that being warm and cool does not mean that you can't wear the other side of the spectrum. But if you are wearing the other side, you need to keep in mind certain things. Like if you are a warm skin toned person, then the blue you wear should be more towards red. Now if you add a bit of red to blue, it becomes purple. So purple will look very good on you. Aquamarine blue will look good on you. Royal blue will look good on you. But if you are a cool toned person, red will not suit you that much. But your better option will be lighter shades of pink. Pink is basically red with a bit of blue in it. That is why any shade of pink will suit you more. Similarly, you can understand the perfect shade of yellow, green, and all the other colors for you. Even white, there can be classic white and ivory white and that creamy white. Which will look good on your skin is basically, for white I would say go for trial and error until you are a pro at this. But in the initial days, you can try buying without even wearing in the trial room. You can try wearing warm and cool tones based on your complexion once you find out what you are. If you are a neutrals person, most colors will look good on you. But also remember that if you are a neutrals, then grey is going to look stunning on you. So always remember to keep a few grey clothes in your wardrobe. I have become a huge grey fanatic in the last 1 to 2 years, and grey is now my most favorite neutral. I have literally gone out of the black phase. And always remember that due to sun exposure or maybe some kind of environmental changes or lighting changes, your color may change temporarily, but if you know what your undertone is, then you will always look good in the clothes you wear. If you are not wearing proper clothes, how to identify that they are the wrong shade for you? You will look washed out, you will look pale, you will look sickly. And these are the indications that these colors are maybe not suited for you. So once you remember this, your shopping will become a whole lot easier. For more such styling tips, do keep following me on the PC Story.